Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the precise source of the finance lock so you act on the right account. Gather authorized ID, signed authorization, recent statements, and payment receipts. Make sure they match the account name. Call the lender or servicer and request the lock code and a timeline. Ask why it was applied and what documents clear it. Once you have their checklist and any reference number, prepare digital and physical copies to submit immediately so nothing delays the next step. You now submit the exact documents the servicer requested. Use the portal when available, attach a cover note with the case reference, and clearly label each file. If the lock stems from missed payment or dispute, propose an immediate cure amount or a repayment arrangement. Explain your timeline and include proof of funds or cleared transactions. Make sure to request a manual review if automated systems rejected you. Once submitted, log the case number, agent names, and commit to specific follow-up dates. You finish by getting written confirmation that the finance lock has been removed. An email or letter with the release date is essential. Check account access, billing, and credit or lien records to confirm synchronization across systems. If the lock persists after confirmation, escalate immediately. Ask for a supervisor, file a formal dispute, and consider filing with an industry ombudsman. Make sure to retain all correspondence and timestamps if errors recur. Those records are your evidence to force corrective action and prevent reapplication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.